Hi, I'm Duncan Fraser from Pelion, and I'm going to walk through the Pelion Connectivity Management Dashboard with you. We've made this tour so that you can take a look at the management portal without having to get into any real customer user data. When you start the tour, you'll find the main dashboard, which summarises the sorts of connections, what's going on with your devices. You've got a summary of active devices, the data that's been used in the last billing period, a graph of what's been going on, and a recent log history at the bottom. If you've watched my introductory video, you'll know that we're capturing a lot of data about what's going on with your connections through our APN network. And clicking on the statistics section on the right hand side, you can start to drill down and build reports per device, groups of devices, the whole estate. And you can generate those reports by device ID, by protocol, or IP address range. Useful tools in managing your devices logically that suits your needs so that you can look for different behavior changes. Let's have a look at an outage. You can see here on the graph that the graph of connections is high at the point we've highlighted, but the amount of data has suddenly dropped off. And this implies that the radio side, the cellular side is up, the modem is on, the connection is working, but the device isn't pushing, or the devices aren't pushing much data. So this could be indicating that maybe the devices are working with data that's out of range, and maybe some kind of firmware updates needed to fix that issue, or the devices need a visit, there's something failed. But certainly getting this information now from this report saves you waiting for your end of month bill to come through and highlight a problem, or a customer complaint coming up saying, where's that data gone, why aren't my devices working? So that's a really useful alert. The last item I want to show you in this list is the IP routing summary. So here you can see a list of IP addresses that your devices are communicating with, and you'll know what hosted addresses you're expecting your data to go to. When you start to see something you're not expecting, that's going to set up a red flag for you. Has your SIM card been stolen and is being repurposed by somebody for doing something else? Or has your device been compromised? Is your device now pumping your data both to you and off to some other source? Or has your device been compromised and is running some secondary software which is mining Bitcoin or doing something completely random that you're not expecting? So these sorts of reports give you that insight without having to wait for the end of month, oh my God moment of what's going on.